Passing the 128 Citizenship Civics Test doesn't require any extra costs. We based this video with the USCIS official 128 civics questions with simple and clear answers. How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
100.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
Thomas Jefferson.
Why did the United States enter the Vietnam War?
To stop the spread of communism.
To stop the spread of communism.
How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have?
27.
27.
If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president?
The Vice President of the United States.
The Vice President of the United States.
What U.S. war ended slavery?
The Civil War.
The Civil War.
The words life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are in what founding document?
Declaration of Independence.
Declaration of Independence.
What is the supreme law of the land?
The U.S. Constitution.
U.S. Constitution.
What amendment gives citizenship to all persons born in the United States?
14th Amendment.
14th Amendment.
What founding document was written in 1787?
U.S. Constitution.
U.S. Constitution.
What founding document said the American colonies were free from Britain?
Declaration of Independence.
Declaration of Independence.
The President of the United States is in charge of which branch of government?
Executive Branch.
Executive Branch.
How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives?
2 years.
2 years.
Who appoints federal judges?
The President of the United States.
The President of the United States.
The President of the United States is elected for how many years?
4 years.
For years.
Who elects U.S. senators?
Citizens from their state.
Citizens from their state.
Who elects members of the House of Representatives?
Citizens from their congressional district.
Citizens from their congressional district.
Who signs bills to become laws?
The President of the United States.
The President of the United States.
How many senators does each state have?
2.
2.
How many voting members are in the House of Representatives?
435.
435.
Why did the United States enter the Persian Gulf War?
To force the Iraqi military from Kuwait.
To force the Iraqi military from Kuwait.
What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress?
Senate and House of Representatives.
Senate and House of Representatives.
What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
The Star-Spangled Banner.
How long is a term for a U.S. Senator?
6 years.
6 years.
Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin Roosevelt.
Franklin Roosevelt.
Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators?
To more closely follow public opinion.
To more closely follow public opinion.
Who is Commander-in-Chief of the U.S. military?
The President of the United States.
The President of the United States.
When was the Declaration of Independence adopted?
July 4th, 1776.
July 4th, 1776.
Name the U.S. war between the North and the South.
The Civil War.
The Civil War.
What does the President's cabinet do?
Advises the President of the United States.
Advises the President of the United States.
How many seats are on the Supreme Court?
9.
9.
What is the purpose of the 10th Amendment?
It states that powers not given to the federal government belong to the states or to the people.
Who vetoes bills?
The President of the United States.
The President of the United States.
Why did the United States enter the Korean War?
To stop the spread of communism.
To stop the spread of communism.
What is the highest court in the United States?
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
What did the Civil Rights Movement do?
Fought to end racial discrimination.
Fought to end racial discrimination.
What is the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C.
How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case?
5.
5.
What was the Great Depression?
Longest economic recession in modern history.
Longest economic recession in modern history.
What is Memorial Day?
A holiday to honor soldiers who died in military service.
A holiday to honor soldiers who died in military service.
How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution?
Amendments.
Amendments.
Who does a U.S. Senator represent?
Citizens of their state.
Citizens of their state.
The executive branch has many parts. Name one.
President of the United States.
President of the United States.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
Freed the slaves.
Why does each state have 2 senators?
Equal representation for small states.
Equal representation for small states.
Why is the Electoral College important?
It decides who is elected president.
It decides who is elected president.
Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived?
American Indians.
American Indians.
Name one power of the president.
Vetoes bills.
Vetoes bills.
What part of the federal government writes laws?
U.S. Congress.
U.S. Congress.
What is one part of the judicial branch?
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Name one power of the U.S. Congress.
Writes laws.
Writes laws.
What does the judicial branch do?
Reviews laws.
Reviews laws.
Many documents influence the U.S. Constitution. Name one.
Declaration of Independence.
Declaration of Independence.
How long do Supreme Court justices serve?
For life.
For life.
Supreme Court justices serve for life. Why?
To be independent of politics.
To be independent of politics.
Benjamin Franklin is famous for many things. Name one.
U.S. diplomat.
U.S. diplomat.
Name one power that is only for the United States.
Give a driver's license.
Give a driver's license.
What war did the Americans fight to win independence from Britain?
American Revolution.
American Revolution.
Name one power that is only for the federal government.
Print paper money.
Print paper money.
What are 2 cabinet-level positions?
Secretary of Labor and Secretary of State.
Secretary of Labor and Secretary of State.
Why is the Declaration of Independence important?
It says America is free from British control.
It says America is free from British control.
Who does a member of the House of Representatives represent?
Citizens in their congressional district.
Citizens in their congressional district.
Name one leader of the women's rights movement in the 1800s.
Susan B. Anthony.
Susan B. Anthony.
Dwight Eisenhower is famous for many things. Name one.
General during World War II.
General during World War II.
The President of the United States can serve only 2 terms. Why?
To keep the president from becoming too powerful.
To keep the president from becoming too powerful.
There were 13 original states. Name 5.
New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, and South Carolina.
New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey, North Carolina, and South Carolina.
James Madison is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of the Constitution.
Father of the Constitution.
During the Cold War, what was one main concern of the United States?
Communism.
Communism.
What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
Louisiana.
Louisiana.
Some states have more representatives than other states. Why?
Because they have more people.
Because they have more people.
The American Revolution had many important events. Name one.
Declaration of Independence.
Declaration of Independence.
What is one way Americans can serve their country?
Vote.
Vote.
The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers.
James Madison.
James Madison.
Why were the Federalist Papers important?
They helped people understand the U.S. Constitution.
They helped people understand the U.S. Constitution.
When did all women get the right to vote?
After World War I.
After World War I.
What is Independence Day?
The country's birthday.
The country's birthday.
Thomas Jefferson is famous for many things. Name one.
Writer of the Declaration of Independence.
Writer of the Declaration of Independence.
Abraham Lincoln is famous for many things. Name one.
Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation.
Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s.
World War I.
World War I.
Who can vote in federal elections, run for federal office, and serve on a jury in the United States?
Citizens.
Citizens.
Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s.
Civil War.
Civil War.
What major event happened on September 11th, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Why does the flag have 13 stripes?
Because there were 13 original colonies.
Because there were 13 original colonies.
The nation's first motto was E pluribus unum. What does that mean?
We all become one.
We all become one.
The Civil War had many important events. Name one.
Emancipation Proclamation.
Emancipation Proclamation.
Why did the United States enter World War I?
Because Germany attacked U.S. civilian ships.
Because Germany attacked U.S. civilian ships.
Alexander Hamilton is famous for many things. Name one.
First Secretary of the Treasury.
First Secretary of the Treasury.
When did the Great Depression start?
The Great Crash, 1929.
The Great Crash, 1929.
Why did the United States enter World War II?
Bombing of Pearl Harbor.
Bombing of Pearl Harbor.
George Washington is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of our country.
Father of our country.
Who was the United States' main rival during the Cold War?
Russia.
Russia.
When did all men get the right to vote?
After the Civil War.
After the Civil War.
Why does the flag have 50 stars?
Because there are 50 states.
Because there are 50 states.
Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for many things. Name one.
Fought for civil rights.
Fought for civil rights.
What is the form of government of the United States?
Republic.
Republic.
Name the three branches of government.
Congress, President, and the courts.
Congress, President, and the courts.
Name one U.S. military conflict after the September 11, 2001 attacks.
War in Iraq.
War in Iraq.
What is the rule of law?
Everyone must follow the law.
Everyone must follow the law.
Where is the Statue of Liberty?
New York Harbor.
New York Harbor.
Name one example of an American innovation.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Name 3 national U.S. holidays.
Memorial Day. Independence Day. Veterans Day.
Memorial Day, Independence Day, Veterans Day.
What is Veterans Day?
A holiday to honor people in the U.S. military.
A holiday to honor people in the U.S. military.
What is the economic system of the United States?
Capitalism.
Capitalism.
The colonists came to America for many reasons. Name one.
Freedom.
Freedom.
There are 3 branches of government. Why?
Separation of powers.
Separation of powers.
Name one thing the U.S. Constitution does.
Forms the government.
Forms the government.
What group of people was taken and sold as slaves?
Africans.
Africans.
What does the Bill of Rights protect?
The basic rights of Americans.
The basic rights of Americans.
There are 4 amendments to the U.S. Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
Citizens 18 and older can vote.
What are 3 rights of everyone living in the United States?
Freedom of expression, freedom of speech, and freedom of religion.
Freedom of expression, freedom of speech, and freedom of religion.
What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance?
The United States.
The United States.
Why is it important to pay federal taxes?
Required by law.
Required by law.
Name 2 important ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution.
Equality and liberty.
Equality and liberty.
What are 2 examples of civic participation in the United States?
Vote and run for office.
Vote and run for office.
It is important for all men age 18 through 25 to register for the Selective Service. Name one reason why.
Required by law.
Required by law.
The U.S. Constitution starts with the words, "We the people." What does "we the people" mean?
Self-government.
Self-government.
Name two promises that new citizens make in the oath of allegiance.
Obey the laws of the United States and be loyal to the United States.
Obey the laws of the United States and be loyal to the United States.
Name one reason why the Americans declared independence from Britain.
High taxes.
High taxes.
How can people become United States citizens?
Naturalize.
Naturalize.
Name one American Indian tribe in the United States.
Crow.
Crow.
What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now?
Mike Johnson.
Mike Johnson.
What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now?
J.D. Vance.
J.D. Vance.
Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now?
John Roberts.
John Roberts.
What is the name of the President of the United States now?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
What is the capital of your state?
Answers will vary. Send us a message if you need help with your answers.
Name your U.S. representative.
Answers will vary. Send us a message if you need help with your answers.
Who is the governor of your state now?
Answers will vary. Send us a message if you need help with your answers.
Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now?
Answers will vary. Send us a message if you need help with your answers.